Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to sew an apron. So pick out your best fabric or your favorite fabric, and you will need about, I would say, 2 yards. Alright, so I picked some Frida Kahlo as my favorite fabric. And the first thing you're going to do is cut two sections. So the first section is going to be the top part of the apron. The second section is going to be the bottom part of the apron. And then after that, I'll show you how to tie it up for the end. All right, so now what you're gonna do is cut the same pattern that you just made and cut a liner. So I chose dark brown, so I went ahead and cut two pieces, dark brown, exactly the same as I did with that Frida Kahlo material that I had. Now, after you do that, we have to sew those two pieces together. And then after we sew those two pieces together, then we'll want to match our brown design with our Frida Kahlo design and sew those two pieces together, but we need to leave a few spaces open. This will allow us to turn it inside out, revealing the outside of the garment or the apron. So let's take a look. All right, so now you're gonna cut two strips for the ties in the back of the apron and one strip to go around your neck so that the apron can be nicely fit over your neck and then hang. And then you'll tie it in the back with the two strings. So let's go ahead and do that just before we actually decide to sew the two pieces together, the Frida Kahlo piece and the brown solid piece, which will be the inside. Okay? Alright, so just to show you what your finished product should look like, basically, you can see that we sewed, this is the back part, this is the brown, and then this is the front part, the Frida Kahlo print. And then I would recommend ironing everything, and then snip any little threads that may have got missed or caught in the machine, or pulled or extended, and then you should be able to enjoy your beautiful apron.